Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. This weekend, we'll be going to the city of Perak and learn how to make one of Ipoh's well-known dishes, the shredded chicken Hor Fun, Hor Fun. Ipoh friends out there, today's your day. This Chinese-inspired dish is simply made out of simple ingredients like chicken, bean sprouts, and many more, and is paired with a rich umami broth that lingers around your taste buds. Perak, known as the Land of Grace, is the second largest state in peninsular Malaysia. Its city, Ipoh, used to be the center of the tin industry in the world, but those days are long gone. So join me today, guys, and learn the recipe to create a bowl of Hor Fun today. And if you're curious how it'll turn out, well, stay tuned to the end to find out some fun and really enjoyable food tasting moments. Now, it's fairly easy and straightforward to cook the dish, as long as we have all the ingredients prepped and ready. Well, let's start by steaming the chicken thighs for 20 minutes. This will release the juice, which we will later use it to flavor the broth. Then shred the chicken by hand and set aside for serving. Now, heat up a pot with the oil, then add in the prawn heads and skins to fry them until they turn red. Next, add water and the juice from the steamed chicken together with the rest of the stock ingredients. Next, bring to a boil, then lower down the heat to let it simmer. Simmer for at least 1 hour 30 minutes. The longer you simmer, the better the flavor will be. You'll see as the broth boils, a thin red or orange film will appear at the top. Now that is the essence of the prawn, or commonly known as the prawn oil. Strain the broth to separate solids. Now, blanch the Hor Fun for just a short while, as the Hor Fun will absorb water very quickly. So we will recommend just a good 5 seconds. Ooh, and don't forget to blanch the prawns and the Taugeh as well. With that, your home-cooked Hor Fun is ready to be served. Serve it in a bowl and top with some fried shallots and fried garlic to get more oomph. I hope you guys enjoyed the cooking process with me, and good luck trying the recipe. Make sure to stay to the end to take a peek at how it tastes like. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Okay. What happened?
Ding ding ding! Today's all about Ipoh Hor Fun. Wow, I can even smell it from here, honestly. Smells... Damn! Look at that! So we have the Chinese chives, the chicken, the shredded chicken, Taugeh, the prawn, and the fried onions. I think that's how it all comes together. Anyways, like I mentioned, so we don't have a chopstick, and I'm gonna do a magic. In 3, 2, 1, bang! We've got a chopstick here, and let's go and find out. I hope I won't drop it.
Run.
Hey, why you go away? Okay, so there's 2 fellas here. And hey, you know what? Oh my gosh, guys, don't move. Look at this. The food is striped blue bowl and kind of yellowish, and we have a striped blue boy there and a yellowish color shirt. So guys, I need your help to give this a go. Yep.
Okay.
And you guys need to pull your own chairs and be seated here. So we have our videographer in the house, Terrence, and the chef in the house, Miru. Amirul actually, but anyways, so we're gonna see what you think of this bowl, which is cooked by you obviously, and come on, just dig in and let's see how it goes.
Confirm very nice one.
Why?
Oh, big word. Because when just now I shoot, I already can see very easy.
Why?
Quite excited for this one.
Shut up!
Yeah, and the moment is here.
Wow! Okay, let's see. Moment.
Okay. What happened? Okay, yeah. So my answer to this one, right, is that I've been to Ipoh a few times, so I definitely tried the Hor Fun also. So this one is actually quite similar to the one that I ate in Ipoh.
Oh.
Yeah, I like the soup. I think it's from the prawn, right? Yeah, and also the chicken. So everything fits perfectly. To me. But I'm not sure what about you since you say that you as a chef you don't like to eat your own stuff, right? Yeah, so what do you think about
the dish? I think it's similar from what I've tasted. And after studying the recipe for a few times and like even going to the pasar there at Taman Megang to ask the uncle where to buy the Hor Fun. Yeah, I think okay I'm quite satisfied with the overall taste and the final dish.
Yeah, guys, I mean, that's a lot of thoughts being put inside, and if I were you guys, right, I would definitely go for the prawns, but somehow no one touched it. But anyways, it doesn't matter. And so maybe you can share with me, because I heard that Kway Teow and Hor Fun is like the same thing. Are they the same thing? Okay.
No lah.
If chef refer to you, then you must know lah, huh?
To me, Kway Teow and Hor Fun is the same thing, but then Kway Teow is more like on the Penang side, I guess. So it's like they use it for Chao Kway Teow, and then Hor Fun they make it for the Cantonese one, I think.
You think lah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's from the Cantonese. That's why we call it Hor Fun. And then Chao Kway Teow from Hokkien, I guess. That's why they call it Chao Kway Teow. Yeah, but the noodle is the same thing.
Okay.
That's what I know.
Okay.
I'm not sure is it correct. So yeah, you guys can let me know about that.
Okay, guys, let us know if Terrence is correct. Yeah, and
Sure. I'm right.
okay, so well, I guess I hope you feel like you're an Ipoh after trying this.
Definitely. I'm already in Ipoh now.
Well, guys, I did try it and I do like the taste. So I just want to know, like from both of your point of view, because obviously you're a chef, you are a taster, right? So what do you think makes a good bowl of Hor Fun a good bowl of Hor Fun?
I mean like a great bowl of Hor Fun, the Kai Si Hor Fun is actually where the soup, the broth has like the proper thickness to it, and then the soup has a bit of body, and then also it has to have the taste of umami. Umami is the fifth sense in our taste buds, and also the soup must have a little hint of sweetness in it.
I certainly tried that.
Yeah, I think that what's made a good bowl of Hor Fun. Eat the prawn.
Okay, back to you.
Back to what?
So what do you think makes a good bowl? See this fella keep forgetting my question. I need to repeat how many times. Anyways, yeah, so what do you think makes a Hor Fun a good bowl of Hor Fun?
I feel like the soup is important.
Okay.
For me, it's the soup. Because the soup makes up everything together.
Alright. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and give them a thumbs up and give us a thumbs up. And if you like this video, subscribe to us and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.
Bye.
Bye. Adios.